Hey, this video is going to show you how to find your assignments using Canvas, using Clever, and using Ed. So let's start with Canvas. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Of course, this is my login. Your login looks a little different, obviously, not here, but when you get to the first screen. And I've got my dashboard. I'm going to find out your course, which of course is Algebra Readiness. And I'm going to change this to student view. So now I'm looking at what you would see. All right. And of course, on the right side's all those to-do stuff. Welcome back. There's a couple announcements I just wrote for today. Or actually, I wrote them yesterday, but that you should have seen them today or maybe yesterday if you're checking this out um, on March 18th. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a couple things here. I've got a discussion board here. So if you have any things you want to discuss, like about virtual learning, there is a virtual learning discussion board. So if you have any questions you want to write in there for me. Um, and then, of course, there is the announcements tab, and you'll actually see this as an announcement, but I wrote a letter to you. You can go ahead and read that, and then your work plan. And this first work plan, which starts on the 18th and goes through Monday the 23rd. And then I'll have a new one up for you later this week. Okay. And then, of course, let's take a look at the assignments tab. All right, in the assignments tab, of course, there, the past assignments, it's all the ones that we've done. We've got some upcoming assignments. Okay, let's just take a look at the first one. There's 9.1 says draw circles and other figures. Let's take a look at this. All right, so here you see 6 items. You've got interactive lesson check understanding, interactive lesson on your own, interactive lesson spark your learning, interactive lesson task 1, interactive lesson task 2, interactive lesson task 3. I'm going to focus on these bottom 4 first. All right. The bottom 4 are really your guided notes, and that's what we've done in class when we've done the drop down menus, the click, the drawing of pictures, the turn and talk. So all of the interactive lessons that have Spark Your Learning or tasks, that's the stuff that we've done guided notes for. And what I've done for you and what I'm going to continue to do for you is create some video tutorials to take you through that. So if you scroll down here, and of course, let me stop right. It says you must complete this for credit. So, and I'll show you where I'm actually going to look for that in just a second to make sure I know you've completed it. Um, but if you look, there's a video tutorial for each one of those interactive ones. First for the Spark. Okay. Now it's not a hyperlink, so you actually have to highlight it and then right click, and then it'll say go to. So go to. So this actually take you to my YouTube video, and most of these will have a YouTube video unless it's too big. Of course, that's taking you to the YouTube video. I'm going to X that out. Um, but so there's the Spark. There's task 1 here, which is actually on my Google Drive because it's a longer video. There's task 2, and there's task 3. So those are all the guided notes. And I actually put one about, and I think that's the video actually popped up there. It's how to use a geometric compass. Since this is a geometry lesson, I thought I'd throw a little video in about how to use a geometric compass. Now, these video tutorials are optional for you. If you're stuck when you're doing them, I'll walk you through them step by step. It's up to you if you want to watch them, but I highly encourage it. We'll take some time. Most of them are about 7 minutes, except that one on the Google Drive is a little bit longer because it's more involved. The build understanding ones are always a lot longer. All right, then the next portion of this is the interactive lesson, the check understanding, the check understanding, and then the on your own. So I'm going to show you how all of that looks. Okay, so of course you need to go to the Providence website to find all of this, and the Providence website's changed a little bit. So when you're on the Providence website, you need to go to MyProv. It's going to be over here. And then you want to click Clever. And now I'm already logged into Clever, so I'm going to log out real quick. And obviously you're logged in with your campus account. And you'll put your username and password in there. You should have all that information. You'll sign in. Now, my Clever unfortunately does not have Ed. Yours will. You'll have the Ed icon, just like we've been doing in class. I've been showing you how to do this, or I've been training you how to do this in class. You'll have the Ed icon. Of course, you have Reflex Math here if you choose to do some extra math practice. However, I'm not currently assigning any of that. So when you get to Ed, of course, should take you to a screen that may look like this, and then you'll sign in. All right, so when you get to Ed, and you get to the assignments tab, and I've got the next one already on here. Let's take a look at these 6 right here. So there it is, the Spark Your Learning, the task 1, the task 2, the task 3. Those are the guided notes. And then once you've done the guided notes, you've got the check understanding and on your own. And I understand they're not in order and there's nothing I can do about that, but that's what matches this picture right here. So that's what I'm looking for you to complete credit for each assignment. And I'll give you several days to do them. You'll have, usually 3 days to complete all of those assignments. And, each one of those could take you 5 minutes. The build understanding will take a little bit longer, obviously. And the check understanding is usually short, and the on your own can vary in length. Okay, so just to take a really quick look at those, I'll take you through just the Spark and the check understanding and the on your own, so you know what exactly they look like, and I know you've seen them in the past. Okay, so let me find the right book here real quick. When you log in, of course, yours will look like this already. We're in module 9. To start here, and I'm just going to go ahead and get to it so you know where you're at. You'll automatically have all this. This is just my end. All right, so task 1, build understanding. So when you open this up, and it's going to match exactly the video or actually that assignment that I've given you, it looks just like this. Okay, once it loads and asks you what to do, etc. here, etc. here. Okay, so that's that. You should be familiar with this already, but of course, you can reach out to me if you have any questions. And then there's task 2, task 3. Let's take a look at the check understanding real quick. If you recall, the check understanding is the one that says, please start when you're ready. And this will, of course, give me feedback. You click the start button down here. Hide that. Okay, and then this is the one that you go through and answer the questions. You click next when you want to go to the next problem, next to the next problem, and so on. And then, of course, the on your own is the same as the check understanding. Okay, and click start. There we go, and there's your problem. And then continue to go through the problems, and it looks like there's 6 of those. All right. So that does it for the video, this tutorial video on showing you how to find and access your assignments. Again, if you need help, please don't hesitate to text me, call me. We can FaceTime or we can talk about, helping you through this process. I know you're going to do very well. It's going to be a great 4th 9 weeks here. And I'm looking forward to helping you virtually. All right. Thank you.